Think about the last time you were stuck in an airport. What did you see? Overpriced coffee, those sad little $9 sandwiches, and enough desperation to make you want to pull your hair out, right? We've all been there. But here's the thing. Airports don't want you to know about the free stuff. We're diving deep into the matrix of airport secrets and uncovering 12 freebies that are going to blow your mind. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button to never miss the latest travel news. Let's start with one of the biggest airport ripoffs, paying for water. You step off a long flight, parched, and bam! There's a kiosk charging $5 for a bottle of water. But here's the secret. Most major airports have hidden water bottle refill stations scattered throughout the terminals. They're not always in plain sight, but trust me, they're there. Before you even leave home, pack an empty reusable water bottle in your carry-on. No need to pay outrageous prices later. Once you're through security, make it your mission to find those refill stations. They're often near restrooms, tucked away by the gates, sometimes even disguised as fancy water features. Bottom line, stay hydrated without draining your wallet. Let's be real. Airport Wi-Fi is the ultimate bait and switch. They promise you free internet, but before you know it, bam! Paywall hits after 30 minutes. It's almost like they want you bored, disconnected, and tempted to drop cash on overpriced airport distractions. But here's the thing. You don't have to play by their rules. There's a sneaky little trick to unlock unlimited airport Wi-Fi, and it all starts with one simple move: airplane mode. When your free 30 minutes are up, just switch your phone or laptop to airplane mode, wait a few seconds, then turn Wi-Fi back on. Boom! You've just reset the session, tricking the system into thinking you're a brand new user. Rinse, repeat. Enjoy unlimited internet without ever pulling out your wallet. But wait, there's more. Savvy travelers and frequent flyers share secret Wi-Fi codes online, hidden gems that unlock the holy grail of unlimited high-speed airport internet. So stay connected, dodge the paywall, and never waste a dime on airport Wi-Fi again. You just got off a 12-hour flight. You're jet-lagged, exhausted, and feeling, well, disgusting. Right now, you'd do just about anything for a hot shower. But checking into a hotel just to rinse off? That's absurd. Here's what they don't tell you. Many airports actually have free showers hidden in plain sight. Yep, places like Singapore Changi, Tokyo Narita, and Dubai International offer dedicated shower facilities in transit areas, completely free for travelers. Think of them as tiny oases of hygiene in the chaotic desert of airport madness. But what if your airport isn't one of the lucky ones? Good news, there's still a way to score a free shower. Here's the insider trick. Airline lounges. If your flight gets delayed or canceled, or you've got a brutal layover, you might be eligible for a free lounge pass. And guess what? Most lounges have pristine spa-like showers just waiting for you. Next time you're stuck at an airport, don't just sit there marinating in your own exhaustion. Find an airline rep, ask politely about a lounge pass, and freshen up like a VIP. Because sometimes a hot shower is the difference between a travel nightmare and feeling human again. You land in a new city, exhausted from your journey, and then you see them, the luggage cart vultures. They circle the baggage claim like sharks, waiting to pounce on weary travelers and charge them an exorbitant fee for the privilege of transporting their own belongings a few hundred feet. It's a racket, plain and simple. But here's the thing. Not all airports are in on the scam. Some of the best airports in the world offer free luggage carts to all arriving passengers. Airports like Dubai International, Seoul Incheon, and Singapore Changi understand that the last thing travelers want after a long flight is to be nickel and dimed for basic necessities, so they provide luggage carts free of charge. Your wallet and your sanity will thank you. All right, let's talk layovers. Those dreaded stretches of time when you're stuck in airport purgatory waiting for your connecting flight. But what if I told you that you could turn those layovers into mini adventures, and for free? It's true. Many airports around the world offer free city tours specifically designed for transit passengers with long layovers. Airports like Istanbul Airport, Hamad International Airport in Doha, and Singapore Changi offer guided city tours that cover transportation, entrance fees, and sometimes even meals. These tours are a fantastic way to experience a new city without breaking the bank or deviating from your travel itinerary. As soon as you land, head straight to the airport's transit desk or information counter and inquire about the Free City Tour program. They'll give you all the details, including tour times, registration requirements, and any necessary documentation. Embrace the adventure, explore a new city, and make the most of your time in transit. All right, let's talk about everyone's favorite four-letter word free, specifically free food. Because let's be real, airport food is a special kind of torture. But what if I told you that you could actually eat for free at the airport? No, I'm not talking about dumpster diving or stealing unattended snacks from unsuspecting passengers. I'm talking about the glorious world of free food samples. Duty-free shops, especially those selling chocolate, perfume, and alcohol, are notorious for offering generous samples to entice you to buy their products. Many airport restaurants and food vendors, especially those located near busy gates, will also offer samples of their dishes to tempt hungry travelers. Channel your inner foodie and embark on a strategic sampling spree. All right, let's talk about the dreaded overnight layover. But fear not, my weary friend, because I'm about to let you in on a little secret. Airports have secret sleeping and relaxation areas. Think designated quiet zones with comfy lounge chairs, dimly lit relaxation rooms with soothing ambient noise, and even dedicated nap pods that look like something out of a sci-fi movie. These havens of peace and quiet are often unmarked and unadvertised, which is why most travelers never even know they exist. Before your next trip, do a quick Google search for airport name, sleep spots, or airport name, relaxation areas. Discover the secret world of airport sleeping and relaxation areas. We've all been there. You're about to board a long flight. You reach for your phone to snap a quick selfie for the gram and dead. Battery completely drained. But fear not, my phone-addicted friend, because I'm here to tell you that free phone charging stations do exist. They're out there, hidden in plain sight, just waiting to be discovered. Start by checking near gate seating areas. Look for outlets discreetly tucked away under seats, behind trash cans, or even disguised as part of the airport's decor. Keep your devices powered up without emptying your wallet. All right, let's talk about staying connected in a foreign country. You land in a new city, excited to explore, but then you realize your phone is basically a useless brick because your carrier wants to charge you an outrageous fee for international roaming. But what if I told you that you could stay connected without selling your soul to your mobile carrier? It's true. Some airports actually give out free SIM cards and offer free local calls to arriving passengers. Airports like Dubai International and Singapore Changi understand that staying connected is essential for travelers, especially those visiting a new country for the first time. These free SIM cards typically come preloaded with a small amount of data and local calling minutes, which is usually enough to get you through your first few days of exploring. And if you need more data or minutes, you can easily top up your SIM card at convenience stores, supermarkets, or mobile phone shops throughout the city. Head to the airport's information desk or look for kiosks offering free SIM cards. Stay connected without breaking the bank. All right, let's talk about getting from the airport to your final destination. You've just endured a long flight, you're exhausted, and the last thing you want to do is navigate a foreign public transportation system or haggle with a taxi driver. But what if I told you that some airports actually offer free public transportation to the city center? That's right, you heard me correctly. Airports like Zurich Airport and Hong Kong International Airport understand that getting to and from the airport can be a major pain point for travelers. So they've stepped up their game by offering complimentary shuttle buses, train rides, or even tram services that whisk you away from the airport chaos and deposit you right in the heart of the city. Do your research beforehand and see if the airport offers any free transportation options. Start exploring your destination like a seasoned pro. So there you have it, 10 airport secrets that can save you money, keep you sane, and make your travels way smoother. Remember, airports are designed to squeeze every last penny out of you. But armed with this knowledge, you can outsmart the system, travel like a boss, and keep more of your hard-earned cash where it belongs, in your pocket. What's the best airport freebie you've ever scored? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, safe travels.